Hold on to your goggles because the DJI Avata 360 is finally back in the spotlight, and this time the leaks are undeniable. After months of quiet, we now have real evidence pointing to a March 2026 launch, proof that review units are already in the hands of testers, and even official retail packaging images. This is not a rumor. This is happening, and it's set to change FPV drone technology forever. Packaging and proof of units. Images from trusted sources, including Quadricotero, news and DJI insiders show complete retail boxes ready for shipping. Embedded beta software in the DJI goggles also revealed a hidden tutorial for battery activation, confirming that physical units exist. When DJI circulates hardware like this, it's a clear sign. Embargo dates are set and reviews are coming. Soon. Revolutionary battery design. The DJI Avata 360 features a redesigned 14.32V, 38.67 WH battery, offering 26% more capacity than the Avata 2. It's slimmer, more efficient, and paired with a triple battery charging hub for faster workflows. Flight time is estimated between 26-31 minutes, which is impressive for a drone recording 8K 360-degree video while performing aggressive FPV maneuvers. 8K 360-degree camera system. At the heart of the Avata 360 is its revolutionary 8K 360-degree camera, capable of capturing 50-60 FPS HDR footage. The camera system is switchable, allowing pilots to alternate between full 360 immersive video and traditional forward-facing FPV views. Combined with advanced stabilization algorithms, this ensures rock-solid footage even at high speeds. O4 transmission and ecosystem integration reports indicate that the drone will use OcuSync 4.0, offering ultra-low latency, stronger signals, and seamless compatibility with DJI Goggles 3. This integration allows creators to use existing hardware, making it easier than ever to step into professional FPV cinematography without replacing gear. Design, weight, and professional. Focus. Unlike early rumors, the Avata 360 will likely weigh between 300-450 grams, exceeding the 250-gram limit for unregistered drones. This makes it a professional-grade tool, not a toy. The dual camera system, powerful processing, and high-capacity battery justify this weight, delivering unmatched performance for serious content creators. Pricing and bundle options. Leaked domestic pricing starts at 2,988 CNY 1426 with full bundles including the RC2 controller and multiple batteries expected around 5,688 CNY. For global markets, estimates range from 999 to 1,299, making it a premium but highly capable tool for filmmakers, vloggers, and drone enthusiasts. Multiple packages will cater to beginners and advanced users alike. What this means for creators. The DJI Avata 360 is not just another drone, it's a category-defining device. Travel vloggers, action sports creators, real estate videographers, and filmmakers can now consolidate multiple tools into one platform. From immersive 360-degree content to high-speed FPV racing shots, this drone allows total creative freedom post-flight, giving the power to fly first, reframe later. Final thoughts and call to action. After months of speculation and anticipation, the DJI Avata 360 is real, close to launch, and ready to redefine aerial cinematography. If you want to stay updated on leaks, pre-orders, and reviews the moment they drop, make sure to subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon.